Hello. TAN Registration Services. Filings Corner. Filings Corner offers comprehensive TAN registration solutions designed to facilitate seamless compliance with Indian tax regulations. Our team of seasoned tax professionals, including chartered accountants, CAs, company secretaries, CSs, advocates, and MBAs, ensures the accurate and efficient processing of TAN applications, amendments, and surrenders. Understanding TAN, Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number. TAN is a 10-character alphanumeric identifier issued by the Income Tax Department of India, mandated for entities that deduct or collect tax at source, TDS, TCS, before making specified payments. Entities that fail to obtain a TAN may incur penalties, including a fine of Rs and $10,000 and disallowance of TDS credits. Who requires a TAN? TAN registration is statutorily required for employers deducting TDS on salaries, companies, LLPs, and proprietors making payments requiring tax deductions, banks and financial institutions deducting TDS on interest payments, trusts, societies, and NGOs processing TDS deductions on contractual services, NRIs, and foreign entities managing taxable transactions in India. Educational institutions, real estate developers, and event management firms engaging in transactions where TDS is applicable. TAN registration and compliance services. 1 new TAN registration documents required for proprietorships, PAN, Aadhaar, address proof. For partnerships, partnership deed, PAN, Aadhaar of authorized partner. For companies, certificate of incorporation, PAN of company, Aadhaar of signatory. For trusts, societies, trust deed, PAN, Aadhaar of trustee. Processing time, 5 to 7 days. Fee, RA 65, GUP, RA 499. Service, 2 TAN. Correction rectification, required, existing TAN copy, proof of change, PAN of authorized person. Time, 7 to 10 days. Fee, R 499. 3 TAN. Surrender needed, TAN allotment copy, closure declaration. Time, 5-7 days. Fee, R 499. Why choose Filings Corner? Regulatory expertise, deep understanding of tax laws and compliance, effortless processing, end-to-end support for documentation and filings, transparent pricing, no hidden costs, ensuring financial clarity, dedicated support, personalized assistance tailored to specific business needs, multiple package options available for partnership registration. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to register your startup today.